Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about Introduction to Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce has put a major amount of effort in building a revolutionary computer program. Lightning is quicker, powerful, intuitive, and feature rich. It is a component based framework for app development which implies accelerated development with minimal coding. The ability of Lightning enables users the capability to form a user experience that improves workflow and productivity. What makes Lightning special? Let's explore the highest 10 Salesforce Lightning feature. The first one is the advanced interface. The new Lightning program is extremely flexible and robust as compared to Classic. It gives high user productivity and drives efficiency with less code. An intelligent homepage allows the user to watch a performance to goal and acquire news on key accounts. The second is Kanban view. Sales representatives can efficiently manage opportunities with the Kanban view. Appeared as a visible summary of the records in an exceeding list view, it shows an enormous picture view of all the ongoing tasks and also allows effortlessly sort, summarize, filter, and move opportunities. Users can swiftly create tasks and events directly associated with the chance without leaving the view. Kanban view are often used as a workspace. Another point is reports and dashboards. For Lightning experience, Salesforce has designed reports and dashboards which makes them more interactive, easier to navigate and edit. Sales representatives can get more information from interactive charts. Report quality is often enhanced without launching the report builder. With the new UI, finding reports and dashboards became easier via redesigned home pages. Next one is Lightning Path. The new Lightning Path in Salesforce Lightning guides sales representatives through the steps of a process like engaging on a chance from a fresh cause, closing a deal. At every step, Lightning Path helps the team to succeed with specific guidance and resources. Come to the next point, that is activity timeline. In Classic, we have open activities and activity history. Open activities allows users to form task and event records with the record type selection functionality, whereas activity history allows users to log a call or send an email. In Lightning, Salesforce has added a typical Lightning component that shows the action to make the task and other actions together with an activity timeline which shows the record you have already created. With the activity timeline feature, see open tasks, planned meetings and accomplishments within the activity timeline on activity enabled objects. Next is Salesforce Einstein. It is not a new to anyone. This is often one in every of the highest Lightning features. Salesforce Einstein, a synthetic intelligence tool, enables the businesses to become more predictive about future trends and customer buying patterns. The productivity of sales, service, marketing teams will be boosted significantly with Einstein. Another one is Lightning Component Framework. It is an intensive UI framework including various tools and technologies intended for the event of dynamic sites for desktop and mobile services. Single page applications are supported through the Salesforce Lightning Component Framework, showcasing the perfect growth in engineered applications. Leading the technologies of JavaScript and Apex are employed in its multi-tier components which help in connecting the client and therefore the server. Another point is Lightning App Builder. The Lightning App Builder makes it easy to form custom pages for the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience, giving your users what they have boast one place. Lightning App Builder allows users to regulate and customize Lightning components so as to create business-specific apps. And the last point is Lightning Connect. Data from an external source will be integrated through force.com. through the combination tool Salesforce Lightning Connect. Data from SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft are accessed in real time and also integrated. It is therefore helps in connecting the external object which is not stored in Salesforce. However, the information source is provided by a selected protocol and web server. Configuring an external data source, creating relationships to integrate external objects, integration of external objects with chatter features, so on are the most important concepts to be learned in Lightning Connect. So guys, that's all for now. If you are looking for a Salesforce consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.